Well, hello and welcome. This is my very first how-to video. This is just a video on how to fork Kodi 18.1 release candidate. Seeing as though that no one else has put a video up on YouTube on how to do it without a mobile phone, but on a laptop or a PC, I thought I'd go ahead and show you myself. So, as you can see here, we have the original APKs, decompiled. There's nothing there. I've already tried this. There's my two apps. The SMALI that we will be taking note of is, ignore that one, is this one. So here we go anyway. So what you do, head over to select APK jar. We select the ARM64 Kodi 18.1 layer. We decompile it. And give it a chance to complete. I'll pause this video while it's just decompiling. Right, well that's decompiled done. As you can see here, just click OK. Now we head over to decompiled APKs, and there you will see your decompiled APK. Right, first things first, you go into assets, add-ons. Now whatever add-on you have, place it in here. I'll give you an idea of, right, as I was just about to say, I'll give you an idea of an Android app to place in. See, here's my wizard. Just copy that, paste that straight into the assets add-ons folder. Now what you want to do, and you do this with put whatever Android app add-ons you want to put in there, stick any in. I will highlight the name, copy it, go back one, then we head into system. Now add-on manifest. I just drag this from my other screen. Right, as you can see, add-on manifest, see all these add-ons in here are what will be enabled as default. So as soon as you install the APK and you start it, all these add-ons in this list will be enabled. If they're not in the list, they will not be enabled. But word of warning, if you put an add-on in the list but it's not actually in the add-ons folder, it won't work. It will crash. So to do this, I always go to the bottom. Right, press enter. You just copy it. Right, so we've got the add-on bit. Now how I do it is I press Ctrl and V for Victor, which automatically pastes it into it. Then all we do is just finish the line, and now it's as easy as that. You save it, close Notepad++. Now a lot of videos I've seen do not show this at all, and I found this quite handy. Instead of using a Pi or a Pi script or something, head over to settings, to the settings folder and then open up settings.xml. Right, now for you to find certain things in Notepad++, press Ctrl and F. Now as you can see, I've already got it written in unknown. All you do is type unknown in and then click on find next. Close that. It will bring you straight to addons.unknown sources. You see here where it says false, change it to true. Save it, close it. Now we head over back to assets. Now user data, open, you can change your RSS feeds. One line must remain, no matter what, at least one line must remain. You can make the rest dummies so it doesn't read anything, but one line must remain. Now head out of assets. Now lib you don't use, original you don't use, res. Now res, see all these folders here, these drawable folders, yeah, you need to change each, as you can see, each and every image. So that one's 80 by 80 in its PNG. The name must remain the exact same, otherwise it will not work. Same with notification icon, it's 36 by 36. Also PNG, you have to keep it as it is, just change the image. Now your splash, I've figured this out. This on here it's 1080p. But when I tried to put I think it was a 1920 by 1200, it refused to work. The APK Easy tool kept crashing. That's because the image was wrong in size. But you need to change each. You don't need to change these, but you definitely need to change the likes of this IC launcher.png and so forth and so forth. Each one is different, is for something different, so you must change it. That one, you don't touch that one. Look, your banner, you need to change it. Same with this, you need to change it. Same with this one, you need to change that as well. And your last one, last two, you need to change that. And this, now this splash.jpg is a screen that shows up when you start up the app. Now you go down to values, go into strings. Now as you can see here, you've got your app name and your search hint. Now your app name is what you want to call your app. So likes of mine would be T2K 18.1 RC. Now for the search hint, because obviously I don't want it to come under for you to be able to search it and it'll come up Kodi, I want you to be able to type in T2K, because I have other T2K Android apps, so I'd like it to show under my T2K name. Save it, close it, come back out of res. Now this is the main one, so we go back to Kodi 18 SMALI ARM64. Now as you can see, it says SMALI change me. So we right click, copy, paste it into the same folder as these three others. Now all you do here is change the name, so mine would be the two kingdoms. You open that. Now you see where it says build config.smally, right click, edit with Notepad++. Now you see here it says L change / these / names /. You highlight it, Control and F on Notepad++. Now instead of finding it or just simply replacing it, you go to find in files. Now for this you want to open it up, ignore that, open up your decompiled APKs and your decompiled folder with your APK in it, head down to SMALI. Now all I do is instead of open every single thing, just click on your very first folder that you've just copied and renamed into the SMALI folder. So you just click on that, click OK. Now as you can see, I've already done it here. Always put a capital L at the beginning and / as so. Then all you do is click on replace in files. It will show this up. All you do is click OK. Now what that's just done for us, there's no need to save it because it automatically saves it, but as you can see here, it's now changed it to the two kingdoms. So all you do is close that. That's just done every single one in here. Now what I like to do is head on down here. See it says here splash fill cache .smally. Right click on that, edit with Notepad again. Now for this one we're going to Control and F on Notepad++. Now I've already got it written down to here. All you do is what you find looking for is pairing for. Click on find next and that will bring you straight to the bit you see when you first start Kodi. It's preparing for the first run. Now what I like to do is put something different in there, so I don't know, welcome to T2K Kodi fork. Yeah, just save that, close it. Now you can head on down to this one, splash state machine.smally. Not that one, it's this one right here. Right click, edit with Notepad++. Yeah, and again Control and F. Now what we want to do is look for where it says starting. Find next, and as you can see, this is where you would change the name. So I'd put something along the lines of this: starting T2K 18.1 RC. Save it, close it. Now you head back out of there. Now, what I like to do is go to apktool.yml, edit with Notepad++ again. Now here is where you want to change the name. So I like to put underscore. I like to put something as simple, but I can see that it has been signed for. Now, you scroll all the way down to the very bottom. You see here where it says rename manifest package null. Change that null to your SMALI, the name, whatever you named your SMALI folders. So mine would be the dot two dot kingdoms. There must remain a space there or it will not work. You can change the version number, but I don't really see the point in it. I like people to know that they're on the latest version of Kodi. All you do now, save it, close it, and that is that's it. All you need to do here is name it to what you did name, to what you want it to be renamed as. And all you click on is compile. This shouldn't take very long at all. I will pause the video while it's recompiling. Right, it's finished compiling, and as you can see, it's now signed the APK and recompiled it. So now, if we head over to recompiled APKs, here you will see the newly compiled APK. That's all. Thank you. Hope this helps a lot of people.